Hey, what's up guys, this is Pro Wolf Trader. You're watching live stream. Today is 12th February, live just about almost an hour away from New York Open. I hope everybody is doing fine. Let's dive into the trading. What's moving the market? Lots of stuff. Today we have high impact news, consumer price index, also short form CPI. We have Powell testimony day 2, so we have lots of stuff to kick in the market. Right before we jump in, please make sure to like, subscribe and share the channel. If there is a problem in streaming, I will make sure that I cover it up before we dive deep into the New York session. Yeah, everything is fine and smooth. Where is everybody? Wake up guys, wake up. Come on. It's time to make some money. Let's see what you have today. Gold, baby, gold. Gold dropped to the yesterday level. The same level where I mentioned that this is the key structure area. If the market is unable to hold on to this area, then it will drop down further. But it seems like the market is holding this area and it will probably go up. Let's see what volume profile has to say, because some people use it. Volume profile is showing the same area as yesterday, but this time a little bit twist. We have to remove this, not this, actually this. Damn it. This is all-time high to recent low, recent dropped exactly precisely sitting at 2881, and we are seeing a bit of rejection from here. The market is still bullish. As soon as the start of the New York Open, the gold will likely move above London high, which is 2894. And later on it will retest Tokyo high, and if it able to do that, then it's gonna go retest yesterday London and Tokyo Open, and most likely it will break past below yesterday Tokyo high. And as soon as it does that, we all know what's coming next. A lot of people, they are bearish about gold, but my viewpoint, my analysis regarding gold is the same. I see gold bullish today, despite whatever the people are saying, whatever the market is trying to precede in. But given that what we saw earlier on yesterday during the New York Open, I'm pretty much confident that we're gonna see a bullish momentum at the start of the New York Open, because we have nothing to lose. Gold is gonna go up. The reason, let's see what's happening today right now. If you look at the CPI, there's three kind of CPI: core CPI, monthly on monthly, and yearly. So which one is important? Which one is the most important one? The most important CPI is core, and core is estimated to be 0.3%, and the previous we got 0.2%. Now the question is, what happens if it's higher and what happens if it's lower? You need to understand several things. Number one, the data you are seeing right now, not all of it is important, only the core is important. Core is priced in at 0.3%. Now looking at 0.3, you'll realize, okay, what should we do if it comes higher? What should we do if it comes lower? It doesn't matter because market is bullish. We are still in a bullish market. Gold on 4 hourly is still bullish, and despite me making the elite wave retracement, it seems like it just doesn't want to do anything. It just wants to keep on moving above, keep on ignoring everything. And the lower CPI can throw the price up, but the fact that the last time we got 0.2% and this time it's estimated to be 0.3% is a bit of a problem. If it comes lower than 0.3% core CPI, I mean, then likely gold will push up, and I'm starting to see that exactly right now. Let me switch to the 4 hourly so people can see the recent direction implies that gold is in a bullish momentum. Let me update this in front of you. This right now, yesterday, this was yesterday high, okay? Alright, so this was yesterday, and this is the current trend line. This trend line is changing it, but right now is in a really perfect structure. I know a lot of people would say, oh look, it doesn't matter which trend line it touches. The fact is that as long as it's bullish, you gotta worry, right? Bears gotta worry. See, this trend line is still holding off, and if it bounces back, hallelujah. $3,000 Goldman Sachs prediction. And this is not something new that we are experiencing. If you guys remember exactly the same, last time we saw on the NFP, it dropped off and it pumped up. Same thing happened on CPI, it dropped and then it pumped. So I'm not unfamiliar with this. This was Friday, right? This was Friday, Thursday, Friday. Where was the NFP? NFP was on 7, right? 7. Exactly around this area, right? This was NFP. I should write this down. This was NFP, right? As soon as we received NFP, just like the last time, what happened? It just pumped, right? And this is January NFP, because we get NFP of previous month. And right now, as soon as we receive the NFP, it just pumped up, right? Several factors, but pretty much price is going up. I know a lot of people would say, look, it's dropping down. Here's the thing, I was waiting for the drop. Nobody knows better than me when the drop is coming, okay? If I'm saying a drop is not coming, it means it's not coming. Why is that? Because I'm the guy who shorts, who grabs the short. Okay, I know that shit. better than anybody. And I see a drop when I see one. This was it. But now this is a retracement. You need to understand that in a bull market you will get retracement. All this you see right now is a retracement. And it will continue to move above. Reason is FOMO buying. It doesn't matter. Gold will keep on with the upward momentum. And it will ignore everything. And those who will not understand this will suffer today. There are several lessons to be learned. The key lesson to learn today is that if you want a stable market, go trade in Gulf market or or any other market. Why? Because nothing happens over there. Those who wants to make big profits, they go for market which are highly volatile. If there is no volatility, then nobody will trade. Yes, this drop was imminent from 29.40 to 28.80. We saw $60 drop. Now there is a rule, 7 years of my trading, whenever gold drops $50 to $60, it does the retracement to all-time high. And in this case, it just dropped from recent all-time high 29.40. And do you think that it will not go retested? Of course it will retest. Now a matter of fact is that if you want to be ignorant and sit down and say, okay, a drop is coming, listen, I've been waiting for that drop for God knows since when, but there is none, and I'm making these trend lines. Yes, these are retracements. These are the same retracements we got earlier on, and there is no need to fight the market. If a drop comes, it comes, and we will utilize it. We will be in that drop, but don't be naive, okay? Don't be gullible. This is what the market does with you, fuck with your head. And if you let the market fuck with your head, you will will get liquidated. Just as the same way the sellers will be getting liquidated. Yesterday we saw it dropped and then it go up. So what happened? The sellers got liquidated over here. And the institutions, all they are doing is right now liquidating sellers, and they're gonna liquidate again too. This is the liquidation, and after liquidating them, it will go up, because in order to make a all-time high, you need to liquidate the other part, the big money, and all that money is sitting. Imagine we are sitting there all-time high. All those sell orders, what do you think gonna happen? Listen, it's risky. Gold is risky. This is why people make money, and the greed is on the buy side. You need to find the smart money. Now if I say, okay, all the people are selling, then even I will be on the sell side. But the mere fact that smart money is sitting on the buy side is scary as fuck. This area 2882 is a really strong area. It's the strongest support, and it's likely to go above over here, just like the same way it did, bouncing on and on. It's just bouncing and then poof, it's gone, and retest and gone. This is the faith of gold right now. Don't fight the market. Again, I'm saying, don't fight the market or you'll get slaughtered. We all know what's coming. And Bitcoin yesterday dropped when the Powell testimony started, and when it ended afterwards it did a recovery retracement. Now it seems like the market is just waiting for the CPI, and even I'm like, okay, we got a huge drop both on gold and Bitcoin, so I don't think any further drop is likely gonna happen. And yeah, I know a lot of people won't agree with me. It doesn't matter what they think. All that matters is that you understand what to do in a market like this. If you have any question, ask me up. Otherwise, I am like laying low today. I am looking at the charts. This is a 15-minute chart. I opened it up to show you guys. We are just 28 minutes away from New York Open. I'm gonna be here. When the Powell testimony starts, I'll be here. I see gold going up. I think after the CPI, Powell will have eminent exposure. He has to come out and talk about the stuff that he's been trying to ignore. He has to talk about all the problems, especially the economy, inflation rate, unemployment rate, the Fed 2% inflation rate target, rate cut, rate hike. Mostly, the rate cut. Yesterday, if you have gone through his testimony, he said Fed is not in a rush to do a rate cut. So afterwards, we saw a decline in gold. That decline was just a retracement. It has nothing to do. Yes, Zelensky said that he's looking forward. Zelensky said that we might have a deal with Russia, and we'll exchange some land, because Ukraine got some land, Russia got some land, and everybody's talking about how if the war on the Ukraine-Russia is cooled off, is gonna send the gold prices down. No, we have tariffs. Tariffs are more dangerous than war, because war drives the market up and down. Okay, tariffs makes it permanent. I was thinking, all right, the gold will likely, in a span of 1-2 years come down, not as close to 2000, but at least 22 to 2100. But that is just a dream now, because after these tariffs are imposed, it's just a dream. What do you want to know? I'm on a buy or on a sell and then go away? Listen, I'm on a buy, and even if you beat me up, which you can never, and ask me, I'll still stay. I'm on a buy. My analysis for gold today is that the CPI will be lower and it will push the prices up. Likely it can either dump or pump, or dump, or directly pump, or dump. 4 scenarios. But this scenario that is gonna dump and pump is likely is gonna happen. But if it doesn't drop, it just pumps immediately, then I'll be more happy. I'm looking forward to gold retesting all-time high, because this is exactly the area where it will bounce back. It will retest 2940, and it will break it and then head towards 3000, which everybody wants, right? Not everybody, only those people who are seeing the market. Tariffs, and if you want to know why is it still going up, this is the reason. Alright, these are the reasons that I'm 100% sure that it's gonna go 3000. There is no drop. We are still in a bull market. We are not in a bear market. A huge $100 drop is every bear's dream. Even I'm a bear. I'm a trader, but inside me there is a bear who's just sitting and waiting for the huge drop. Yesterday it happened. Alright, from 2940 to 2980 and that's it. Our it's over. Now we have to wake up to the reality, and the reality is that this area is not to be messed with. Don't mess with this area. If you mess with this area, you'll die. If you mess with this area, you'll die. You'll die slowly, baby, slowly. And if you don't want to die slowly, you want to die quick, it's that, it's on you then. That's on you. I mean, come on, gold has gone to 2940, damn it. When will people realize it? When will people realize? That this is not something that you guys should be comfortable with. Sell. There is no sell, brother. This is a one-man show. It's a one-man show. And good luck whoever is in it. Okay, so coming back, let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is likely to head above 2. It's been a while, it's been more than 2 weeks. Gold is stuck under 100k. This is something, out of the box, yes. And as I said that this looks like a bubble. This looks like a bubble. Why? Because dropping is shrinking. If stocks are dropping, that means crypto is also dropping. Everything is correlated. Gold, on the other hand, will be considered a safe haven asset if Nasdaq is dropping. We made money on this way up. If Nasdaq 100 is going up, if S&P is going up, then good. But the fact that we are seeing the price of gold recovering, it should be alarming for everybody who is on a sell side. Because you buy when nobody wants to buy and you sell when nobody wants to sell. This is intraday, right? This is daily. Count the number of days we saw a bearish candle. And don't tell me that all-time high. This was the all-time high. Alright. And after the all-time high, we saw a decline. Now this, my dear, is convincing a lot of people to sell this, but I don't buy the sell crap on a day like this when we have CPI and then Powell. Because if CPI comes in cooler, gold will utilize every single damn chance it has to push its way above 2940, 240. And if that happens, then nobody can stop it. I'm just gonna sit here and watch this 15-minute time frame hit above, go across 2900, and as soon as it enters 2904, then don't be surprised if you see 2942 then, because that's how quick it's gonna move. I'm that guy who's warning you. The reason is not geopolitical, the reason is technical, and you have to understand the market. You actually think that those people who are in control, they're gonna let the gold prices shrink? No. Gold is safe haven. They don't care about Bitcoin, yes, because Bitcoin is providing them with the liquidity, whereas gold is holding their entire life savings. If you ask me, if a millionaire or a billionaire, what does he do with his money? Buy gold and store it somewhere. And you think that they're gonna let the value of gold diminish? No. And all these central banks which hold gold as reserve to print money, do you think they will let the price of gold shrink? If the prices of gold shrink, their currency value will decrease. The purchasing power will go away. So everything is controlled by the central bank. It's either Fed, Bank of Japan, Bank of England, or whatever, man. Everybody is influencing the market, either at a microscopic level or a large level. Everybody's hands dirty. You have to be mature enough. Today, intraday, Tokyo high was 28.98. In short, it didn't cross 2900. It did at the start, but not now. And likely, we're gonna see it cross 28.99, either at the release of the CPI data or later on when the New York Stock Exchange opens. But in both cases, I'm pretty much confident that we are looking forward to retesting 2940. If you have any question, ask me up. In this meantime, I do a little bit analysis. Yeah, I'm on call. See the prices kicking in. Okay, 5 minutes is done. Happy now. Doesn't matter if it's 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Here's the thing. If it moves above and you are late and you're buying above 28.94, then you will ask this question yourself, what I am doing? Am I too late? Will I make any profits? Then the best reply to will be patient. Over here, this is a nice, even if it drops below my stop loss somewhere around here, I can live with it. Why? Because this is a calculated entry. If I lose money, I won't lose more than this. But the mere fact that we are exactly perfectly aligning on a 4-hourly, which is acting like a support structure at 28.80, 81, then it will just keep on bouncing and keep on making its way above. This is why I said that making a trend line is really crucial. It not only helps you with the direction, but also help protect your equity and show you the way for the future. And for me, it seems like it will definitely cross above 29.42. So I don't need to worry. If you are selling, you are worried. I am not worried. And if you look at this, we are still in a bull market, right? So how the hell you will convince anybody to sell when we are still in the bull market. And in a bull market, small retracements like this, this, and this, these are normal. You need these retracements if you want to gold to go higher. And here comes the bull pressure. Sorry, buy momentum pressure. This is a 15-minute time frame, by the way. Why is the chat so dead? Guys, wake up. Like the video. Nobody liked the video. I need 10 likes today. 500 subscriber goal target. Sorry, channel target. What the fuck am I saying? Goal target. Gold is gonna go above, no worries. This is the data. Alright. And oh my god. So here's the data. We're gonna look at core. Core is 0.3%. If it comes lower, 1.8, 2.4, 2.2, 2.1, sellers are fucked then. And they are actually already the kind of volume I'm looking at. Oh, I need to put volume profile. Thank you. Here is the volume profile. Here we have, this is the area where we see a lot of sellers previously rejecting this area. This will get rejected. Buyer will break above this zone. No doubt in that. Almost 400 subscribers. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Come on. Market session is the most important thing. Look at the buying pressure on gold. As you know, just 10 minutes away from New York Open. Come on guys, wake up, start making money, start chatting. I need people active in the chat. I don't need dead people. This is why I always say, if you guys are not active, participating, I will not stream anymore. This is why the last week I didn't stream. I come for you guys, at least be active, ask me questions. It doesn't matter. If you are from America, US, Canada, UK, Australia, Hong Kong, Europe, anywhere in Europe, UAE, Gulf, India, Pakistan, anywhere, man. It doesn't matter. Be comfortable. We are making money. Pro Wolf Trader, baby, let's make money together. That's the motto, right? And yeah, I'm announcing today the platform which I was earlier talking about, Swap, is 60% complete, so I'll be posting it up. So it's a community, actually. It's free, you can join it up, but there are paid services over there. There will be courses and signal services, but half of it is free, half of it is paid. So everybody wins, okay? Everybody wins. If you don't like to take the paid services, it's still free for you. And I will post the link tomorrow. And let's come back to trading. This is Bitcoin. I was receiving messages, people saying, please update regarding MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is doomed. The reason I'm saying is that despite everything that is going on, they are still buying Bitcoin. They're not slowing down. So, and currently we are stuck on a sideways range. So I will provide my update regarding MSTR. Even my, what do you call, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is slowly recovering, but the damage is almost, it's already done. They lost around $600 billion. So that is not a small amount of money. That's a lot. And that the amount of money is that this is the biggest loss any single company ever made in the history of US stock exchange, man. I don't know how they can live with that. The kind of legacy they are leaving behind is unbelievable. Coming back, this is Fibonacci, and besides Fibonacci, volume profile, after people were non-stop saying, please sir, please give us volume profile too. So here's the thing, you apply Fibonacci, you apply volume profile, is the same. Look where the golden zone is around 0.618 at 2904, and at the same area around 2904 you're getting huge volume on volume profile. So as I said, it doesn't matter what you use. At the end of the day, the destination is the same. It doesn't matter. And guys, please hit the like button. Here's the thing, if you want, I help you with the entry. If you want a free signal, I need at least 5 likes. 5 likes, and those individuals who are watching the stream right now, I'll help them with the entry on buy on gold or on a sell if it whatever comes up. But the whole situation should be well defined, right? Just 5 minutes away from New York Open, and as soon as New York opens, money is gonna start kicking in. In an instant, we can reach 2904. In an instant. All I expect right now is buy momentum. Because as soon as London will open, you know what will happen. The FOMO buyers will come in. They will push the price above 2900. And as soon as 5 minutes away from the data, we might even see more bullish momentum. At least we will be somewhere around 2928 or 2939. Somewhere around this area. Right before the CPI. At least 29010, 29008. We will be around here. And this is just the start of it. We have whole New York session waiting. And as I said that you guys should understand, when I started streaming 4 or 5 months ago, I said the importance of market session. This was Tokyo. Tokyo always makes a high and a low in a high volume. And after that, when London opens up, London is always sideways range. It doesn't break or do anything. But soon as Tokyo closes and London is left, we see low volume. And then as soon as New York starts, New York brings a lot of buyers. And we have several reasons for that. Market is still uncertain. Investors are still worried. Yesterday we had Bank of Japan bank holiday. And due to that, we saw a bullish momentum on Forex pairs like GBP, JPY. Yep. And it hit all our, almost 1, 2, 3 RTPs it hit. This was because yesterday was bank holiday in Japan. And even if you're somebody who's trading Euro, JPY, everything that has something to do with yen went up. Even USD, JPY went accordingly. This was a premium signal. It went up. So yesterday was a nice day. Coming back to gold. And now today when BOJ is open, okay, New York is open, guys. Here's the New York is open and dollar index is dropping. There's a huge volume right now. I'm seeing gold push above. Look at dollar index dropping. This is key structure area. If DXY drops below this area, it will likely trigger a sell momentum on dollar DXY. In short, that is dollar weakness that will trigger Euro USD pump, and that in return will trigger gold pump. And yes, gold is pumping. This is a 15-minute time frame, so be advised. Right in front of your eyes, everything will go up. Okay, here's the buy volume. 1 hourly candle on gold looks promising. We are just half an hour away. Oh, 1 minute left for the New York. I thought New York opened. Just 1 minute left. Don't worry, it will bring a lot of buy momentum. Easy 29.10. Easy. Here it comes, New York open, baby. Let's go. Here's the bullish momentum. Yeah. Come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. Here we go. Finger crossed. We have Powell testimony too. So CPI will be more volatile. Why? Because if CPI comes in lower, it will go to near all-time high. The reason is Powell. Powell already said yesterday that we are not in a rush for rate cut. And with the current situation around the world geopolitically, around the tariffs is okay. I see a lot of buy volume coming in on gold, and sellers are selling Bitcoin. Sell pressure is, this is more like they are trying to throw the Bitcoin below the December wick, just around this corner. Monthly 96, right? This is monthly low. If Bitcoin goes below this area, then yes, there will be a pressure on Bitcoin, because then this will be considered the top. Then just like the last time, it was stuck around this zone. It almost took it around 3-4 months to go back up again, then it declined. So we are in a similar situation like this. I think for the period of 4 to 5 months, it will be irritating for people, because the way it pumped from 70,000 way up to 100, it needs some retracement either till 81,000 or 80,000 before it progresses upwards. But I'll keep you guys posted. Let's go back to gold. Gold is doing its thing, it's making its upward momentum. I'm gonna keep this chart on a 15-minute time frame. There is a specific reason for that, because we are in an upward direction and 5-minute is not helping a lot of people, new people, so they should switch to 15 minutes so they can understand that direction. Market has created lots of problems for new traders. They think it's a drop. Let them think that. You focus on the 1 hour. You look at 1 hour. Look at this. Look at this 1 hour. Okay. Now what I need you to do is, if you have a divergence or anything, just ask yourself, what's gonna happen now? Ask yourself, what's gonna happen in the next 25 minutes? We are just 27 minutes away from CPI. What do you think is gonna happen? Come on. I need answers. Wake up, guys, wake up. Okay, your call. I'm just gonna be silent and wait for the news to kick in. Here's the minor pullback going up. Currently gold is sitting at 28.84. Don't look at capital.com, it's a little bit slow. By the way, there's a 10-second delay on the stream. I'm bullish on gold. CPI is due. And I'm bullish on gold today. I think the data will be lower and it will push gold price above. Why? It will retest. In short, people don't realize retest. It's gonna retest 29.41. You like it or not? Because it dropped, right? This is a $60 drop. Okay. Nearly $61 drop. Or retracement, whatever you wanna call. I call it a retracement. And afterwards you expect it to, further on try to keep the drop. No, it's not logical. Logically speaking, it's not possible. Yeah, here there is buy momentum. So here we go. This is how sellers get liquidated. All those sellers, where do you think the sell liquidity is sitting? Around this zone, right? 29.19, 29.12, 29.04. This is all the area where the stop losses are at place. The stop losses of the sellers. So I'm not taking any side. Maybe they liquidate the sellers, then liquidate the buyers, or it just keeps on going up. Everything is possible. So the best thing to do right now is, if you're trading the news, make up your mind, put a stop loss, and just let it breathe. If you don't have a plan but have doubt, put buy or sell limit with preset stop losses and let it. And if you have extreme doubt and you are new, don't trade today. Best advice for those who are new. Wait for the news. Either don't trade today, and if you want to trade, wait for the news. After the news is released, look at the market. Wait for half an hour. Or if possible, wait till Powell testimony starts. Today is day 2. As soon as he starts speaking, listen carefully what the people are asking him and what kind of a reply he's giving. Mostly he's diplomatic. Look for clues. Market is currently pricing in rate cut. Okay? Besides that, stocks are falling, so they are looking for haven, safe haven. And I said this way back when we were somewhere around this zone, under the sideway range. I said, as soon as it will break 2732, FOMO buying will start, and if FOMO buying will send the gold price up to $3,000, right? And I say in this FOMO buying there will be retracements. I said this all way back in January, and I say if it drops, don't think that this is the drop, this is just a retracement, and learn to live with it. Try to put this in your head. You are not a child anymore. Okay, you don't need to waste 2 years or a year to understand this. I am telling you, okay, so after spending years in the market, that these retracements, and nobody tell you, everybody will waste your time talking about it's a huge drop. No, it's a damn retracement, for fuck's sake, on a 4-hourly. And we need this in order to keep moving forward. It's like when you're climbing the mountain, okay, you then look for a spot to lay down, right? Camp. So it climbed up and it looked for a plain surface, and sometimes you find the plain surface near the area where you reached, or sometimes you have to climb down a little bit to camp, and it just camped over here yesterday, and now it will continue with the progress. Today's CPI doesn't matter, and secondly, I'm saying it doesn't matter what the outcome is when the CPI comes out, because exactly at the same area around here in January, the last time we got CPI, and afterward details, it just dropped, and before that PPI and NFP. So this is not something new. CPI will come, it will push up. Even the data is bullish, it goes up. Even the data is bearish, it will go up. It doesn't matter, because Fed has achieved its target. Inflation is low, or even if it's high, but on paper it's appearing low. All the numbers are favoring Fed. Plus the geopolitical condition, the tariffs. Fed was worried, if you remember, in Trump era. This was, let me open it. This was Trump, right? This was Trump. Fed was worried during this time that he's gonna start announcing the tariffs. So they planned for a rate hike. So dollar was king and everybody was buying dollar. Dollar is, reserve currency. Safe haven, kind of acting like a safe haven. Now, gold is back. Fed is pissed off. Fed can't do anything. The only way Fed can get away with everything right now is leave it as it is. Don't do anything. Don't cut, don't hike. Just be diplomatic. Let people do, let the institutions do whatever the hell they want. Let China buy gold, FOMO buying, and they just sit and watch. Watch till everything falls down. 18 minutes left for CPI. Okay, I will share it. There as a professional advice, whenever the market wants to pump further, it makes a drop, and this drop after yesterday all-time high is clear where the market is headed now. Yeah, those who have shorted this, they also made profit, no doubt in that, but they don't see the large picture. You will see a drop, a minor drop, but try to understand what's happening. Look at the larger picture, look at the end game. For greater good, for larger profits, you have to sacrifice. So if while trying to grab onto this buy momentum, if once or twice your stop loss gets sacrificed, is the price you pay for a larger profit. Everybody who made huge profits, they sacrifice something, right? It's like trying to grab onto something which is really hard to catch. New 15-minute candle is up. Now all you have to do is wait, because this 15-minute candle will determine where the price is headed, and is headed. This is my professional advice. Is headed up towards 29.42. If you are a scalper, good luck. I am swing trading today. Okay, so the buy pressure is kicking in on Bitcoin too at the same time. Bitcoin is going up. Let me put the alert over here. Going back to gold. $14 minutes left for the CPI. Everybody holding on to their breaths. Just hold on. It's scary, right? I know it's scary. You know what's more scary? Not doing something about it. Look at the buy momentum on Bitcoin. Look at the buy pressure on Bitcoin. If you think there is no buy pressure on gold, Just wait till the news come out. Normally CPIs are really scary, but sometimes CPI doesn't do anything. If we don't get any movement on CPI, don't be surprised. Finger crossed. Currently gold is at 28.77. This is like $65. 28.75. Yes, I know it's dropping. But the fact is that this drop happened right before the CPI. Definitely what I was expecting. Not everybody will understand. Wait till the news come out. Here comes the buy side momentum. I hope so. Well, let's just wait and watch. Bitcoin moving above 96,000. For further clarification, let's look at AUUSD. AUUSD seems alright. This might be a pullback. This can be like this. This can be the pullback candle. It might just drop on the CPI and just saw this. I don't know. Let's see. 11 minutes. But whatever is gonna happen so fast. More than 75% chance of CPI gives the bull run of gold. Yeah, man, that's right. It is true. This is getting nasty, man. Pullback is coming. This is the pullback. It's gonna do a pullback on the news. It's gonna be a nasty one. This one is gonna be a nasty one. Let's wait and watch. Let's wait, baby, let's wait. There's so much buying pressure on Bitcoin. Look at this, it's fucking crazy. Look at the buying pressure on Bitcoin. As if they already know what to do. Look at this. So much bulls at Bitcoin. Gold has no chance now. You know what this means for gold, don't you? It's a one shot. It's a one shot, baby. Look at this. Fuck this. Six minutes left. Where do you think the sellers will go now? You know, it's like buy the news, sell the fact. Or buy the news, sell the fact. I would just say one thing. There's a lot of sell money, stop loss sitting above. And it will get liquidated. I think all the sellers will get liquidated till all time high. That's where my profit TP area will be. Just 5 minutes for the news. And I will not be surprised if it just pushes above. Dollar index DXY drops and gold pushes up. And I won't be even surprised if DXY pumps and gold pumps at the same time. I won't be. Let's wait. Easy money, baby, easy money. 2 minutes left. Here comes the easy money. No, it's not easy money. It's the easy money you earned the hardest way. Again, I'm saying, if you are a bear or a bull, it doesn't matter. You need to be a trader today. 1 minute left. Come on, baby, come on. Last 30 seconds. And we're gonna receive our data. And look at DXY. The way it's forming, I think a drop is coming. On dollar index, not on gold. It will pump. Let's see how far it takes. Last 30 seconds. Good luck, guys. If you're not taking any trade today, it's alright. It's alright. Survive today. If you cannot run, walk. If you cannot walk, crawl. If you cannot crawl, just lay down and breathe. Okay, guys, here is the DXY pump. And gold is dropping and dollar index is retreating. DXY is retreating. Now gold is dropping to 28.66, 28.67. Okay, so the data is higher is bearish for gold. Core data is 0.5. This is way higher than I thought it would be. Monthly is 0.4, yearly is 3.3. It's okay. Look at the way the Bitcoin dropped and dollar index pumped, but gold hasn't dropped that much, and soon a pullback will happen on gold, dollar index and everything else. GBP JPY is pumping. Look at the retracements. Enter upon the retracement. See this retracement. Enter on this retracement. Look at Bitcoin. This is a nice area for entry. If you are somebody who didn't took the sell like me, now is the perfect time for an entry, because it will do a pullback. Again, I said today is not the day for the week. Now since we have this drop, it's gonna carry on with the upward momentum. All you're gonna see right now is a pullback, erasing all the losses, and then a bullish momentum, the buyers kicking in. This is how the market works. This is how you trade. If you took that sell and you took your profit, good. Congratulations. I did not took a sell. I took a buy now. Now it will pull back and remove all the losses earlier on. If I mark this, it dropped down to 28.63. 28.63. So this is a $78 drop since yesterday then, right? So there's an opportunity. There's always an opportunity. There is the retracement area. Okay, here it is. Now all I see is a pullback and then the upward momentum. That's how the market is. Now just wait and 1 hour or God knows 2 hours, wait till the Powell and everything's gonna be okay. You know, sellers, I say sell is short-lived. Sell is temporary, buy is permanent in a market like this. Now is the time to enter a buy. Definitely, right? Everything's gonna be okay. 29, 30. Now wait for the Powell. Wait for the Powell testimony. Let's go to 5 minutes and let's see how the retracement works. Retracement is gonna be brutal, baby, brutal. It's straight up choppy. Here it comes, the Baba Yaga candle. The Baba Yaga candle. Look at the selling pressure on gold. Sorry, Bitcoin. It will get rejected. This is the area which decides either you have balls of steel or you don't even have balls at all. Those people who take trade at this area, they make huge chunks of profit. Given that this is area where I was saying the market will do a pullback, and the pullback will not likely immediately happen, it will slowly, like half an hour, it will take 30 to 35 minutes for everything to go back above the way it was, above 28.90. Just give it an hour or half an hour. Sell is short-lived, unfortunately. This is why I'm not even. I was giving sell trades a couple of days ago. I'm not anymore, because as soon as Powell testimony is gonna start, he's gonna make everything worse. I mean, for everybody else, for the American economy, gold will start pushing up. And DXY it has 100 is like from 107 direct to 108. If I remember correctly, the last time I saw this at 108 was way back. And yeah, it's gonna fall down. Consumer price, yeah, give me a second. Yeah, so I'm here. I was reviewing the what recently happened, and I was reading some articles and listening to some interviews of some economists saying what's next for the Fed, what's next on the table. As it seems like everybody is talking about how inflation is the biggest problem right now, and the economy is inflation sensitive. And the next few stuff they were talking about looks quite interesting, like it's straight out of the nightmare. But it seems like, as I was saying, that as soon as the CPI comes out and whatever that case might be, in it will at the end of the day move above, right? So it doesn't matter what happens. It's just gonna ignore everything and just pop up, like ignoring all your problems, right? Exactly. Because there was no high impact news yesterday or the day before that. Yesterday we just have Powell testimony, and today we have CPI. So if we look how the things are in terms of Fed, Trump, and everybody else, I think we just are one step away. This is CPI, right? Exactly. Remember this? It doesn't matter, it's gonna go up now. It doesn't matter. It's just gonna go up now. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. CPI don't cares. Here we go, baby. Sellers quick profit, buyers in for the big money. And those who understand what I'm talking about, and they are watching me for the past 4 or 5 months, they exactly know what they're talking about. I mean, it's not that hard to explain, but it's like it's systematic. You guys get it, who are my daily watchers. And I said that, after 5 likes, I'm gonna tell you guys what to do. And as I kept my promise, and I gave you that hint, the area where I exactly got in a buy. And I hope you guys did the exact same thing. Now just wait and watch as the price go above 2900, as if nothing happened. And we are going to retest 2942 now. Like the stream, subscribe the channel if you're new. It's a slow poison, but it will do its thing. 2875, slowly 2881, 88, 95, 2906, and so on. Just 35 minutes away from the New York Stock Exchange. And then after half an hour later, when the stock exchange opens, we have Powell testimony. That testimony is gonna be for 2 hours, I suppose. So after an hour, London will close, and then Powell testimony is gonna carry on. And let's see what kind of a pressure it brings in. I think a buy pressure will throw the market further way up, because dollar index after this pump will decline, and Bitcoin is recovering. Given that it dropped to 94,000, that was the best area to get on a buy. At this area. So Yeah, definitely yes. This is how you make money, baby. Market provides opportunity. All you need to do is calm down and do your thing. Let's go. Sell is permanent. No, buy is permanent, sell is temporary. This was the drop we got on the news, and look at the pump. This $15, $18 drop on CPI as compared to the bullish momentum that is coming in right now. So you decide. Either you wait for the news. This is why I said those people who are new to trading, wait for the news to come out, then take a decision. And if you did that, bravo. It's not like we are against sellers. We are traders. We are not seller or buyer. We are traders. We use the market. Market gives you an opportunity. All you need to do is calm down. Okay, stay calm. Look at 30 minutes on gold. See this 30-minute. You see this pullback. Let me turn off everything so it's easier for you guys to see this pullback, and now it's going bullish. Wasn't that hard, was it? But you have to stay cool in the head. Now here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go pray my namaz, salah, while you guys look at the chart. At least I need 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright, just look at this. And somebody was asking me to post. Yeah, it was Rahman. Yeah. So this bull run, now is the bull run. So as I said earlier on, before I go for Prema Namaz, I said that this is my analysis. I've been recording everything for the past 5 years. And yeah, this is not the first time this has happened, and now it will ignore everything and just keep on moving upwards. And you know, this is how it has been, and it will be. Okay, so let me go do pray my namaz, and I'll be back in 5-8 minutes. While you guys who are in a buy with me, enjoy, baby. And yeah, TPs are hit, I suppose. Yeah, wait a second. How many TPs got hit? Let me pause the TP, then go. I know people are like this, unfortunately. It is okay. Everything's gonna be okay. We make money, baby. We made money. Okay, so spare me 5-8 minutes, I'll be back while you guys enjoy the process. Okay, I'm back. You guys still here? Okay. 2893, alright. Nothing new, right? Everything that is happening has happened in the past and is gonna repeat. History keeps on repeating itself, right? So, oh, nobody's here. Damn. It's alright, understandable, but here we are. Gold is at 2892, just like I mentioned. Nothing new, right? Sweet profits. Just like I said that last time, whatever the data comes, despite that, it will keep on moving upward. It doesn't matter. That's how it is, and that's how it's always been. And here we go, baby, here we go. Sky's the limit. Bitcoin is also recovering now. Bitcoin is headed towards, I don't know where it's headed, but gold, I know. Gold is sweet, baby, sweet. Dollar index is dropping, which means gold is going up. I know stock market is about to open in 14 minutes, so don't expect anything huge, right now. But as soon as the Powell testimony is gonna start, that is gonna be, this data is gonna create problems for Powell testimony, because all those questions will be directing towards either we are getting a rate cut or a rate pause. But right now the question is rate hike. With this current data, the next question is rate hike. And yeah, if the hike news is started circulating, but gold will drop. But given that tariffs are also there, I don't think that gold will drop. There's about 2900 is of course 3000 as forecasted by Goldman Sachs in the fourth quarter of 2024 last year, which was at that time, it looked like ridiculous, like bullshit, something unthinkable, unachievable. But right now, 2941 all-time high, hell no, it's on the table. Dollar index is retreating down, so gold is gonna go up. BTC USD is gonna go up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. That's the song, baby. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. How far we came and how far are we going? It seems like this is the end of the tunnel, my friend. We came a long way. Now everything is gonna go up, up, up. Pump, pump, pump. You gotta pump it up. I need to put that song. Hold on a second. Let me look for it. Where is everybody? Come on, guys, wake up. You gotta pump it up. Pump, pump, pump. Pata, pump, pump, pump. This is just the beginning, baby. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Come on, guys. I know my chart is messy, but at least it's profitable. At least I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. Who the hell does this? Nobody. Nobody explains what I explained, and with precision. After the data, who shares their secrets? Nobody. Who tells or teaches you? Nobody. Everybody wastes your time. And I'm 200. How much pips am I up? Holy shit. Did I hit the TP? 29.95 almost. Damn, let me shout about it. Let's go, baby, let's go. You gotta pump it up. Pump, 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 pata, pata, pump, pump. We are up, baby, we are up and flying. If you're here with me making profits, bravo, bravo, bravo. If you listened and you followed the plan all the way from down till up, bravo, bravo. 1 hourly candle is still up, nothing to lose, we are all the way up. As soon as the US stock exchange opens, we have ourselves huge potential. Actually, you know what? The US stock exchange is gonna provide an opportunity for the people who are trading BTC. The opportunity for them to dive in and keep on buying. Right now, Bitcoin is at a perfect area where should I buy, but my eyes are on gold. Gold is looking beautiful. Gold is looking beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Mamacita. Senorita. I lost my mind. Nah. I lost it a long time ago, We all did actually. So here's the thing. Here's a logical explanation for this drop. And I'm gonna verbally say this because, everybody has their own trading setup. But this is for the gang. This is for the premium gang. Premium gang, look at 4 hourly. And tell me what do you see on your scotch. Come on, guys. Even the batch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Tell me, what do you see? Tell me, come on. Tell me, what do you see? I tell you, what do you see? A divergence. Now it's up to you to figure it out. What kind of a divergence is this? And how far are you taking this by? I'm looking at 29, 88, 92, somewhere around this. I'm not crazy. You are crazy. I'm logical. I mean, in this era, if somebody who's logical, who's saying not only stuff that makes sense, but is actually saying it at the time when it's actually happening in front of you. I mean, come on, man. What else do you want? Dang. I'm tired of explaining the same thing over and over again. But here's the thing. If you didn't make your profits today, despite me helping you out with so much, 28.92. I mean, come on, 28.92. 28.94. We are back above, baby. We are back, baby. Come on, guys, come on. Where is everybody? Let them come. I know you guys are here. Just hang it on. We are going up, baby. 2900, here we come. Good. I'm seeing the votes right now. 7% people were bullish with me. That's really good. Bravo, guys. Bravo. Finally, your guys are with me. You are learning, you are understanding, you are evolving. Let's go, baby, let's go. Isn't this the area where volume profile was saying a lot of sell pressure was put into earlier on? And this is the exact same area those sellers will get. I said lots of liquidity sitting around here. And they will all get liquidated right till above till 2930. Everybody will get liquidated. All those sellers, I mean. And dollar index is gonna keep on declining. Slow poison. 3 minutes left for the US stock exchange to open. And let's see what we have on the table then. US stock exchange just opened and it seems like everything is on hold.